hit the spot. Focus, man. Blackhead cleanser. This is a cleanser that works very well to get rid of blackheads from your face, right? I'm going to be telling you my experience with using this product, how to use it, when to use it, how to apply it, and how not to go too extreme with your expectations of this product. So one thing I need to mention is that blackheads are actually not dirt. They are oil based or oil-like particles that are trapped in between your skin. And because we are now in the age where people want to have like flawless skin, right? Most people want to get rid of those blackheads. Most people, including me, as you can see me pressing my nose trying to see if I still have them. I think my skin has come a long way from what it used to be before to what it is now. And thanks to all of these products that I kept trying, I spent a lot of money, but I feel like I'm digressing too much from the real purpose of this video. So I'll do another video where I gist you guys about how I struggled for the most part of 2022 till 2025 to get my skin back to what it used to be. And this is one of the products I use, so I want to, you know, give you guys a review of it. So like I was saying, the Hit the Spot blackhead cleanser is a leave-on type of cleanser, so you don't have to wash it off with water when you apply it. And I was just saying a moment ago that blackheads don't blackheads don't necessarily mean that you are dirty. They are just oils that have been trapped in between your skin, and you can see even with the way they come up, they look like cold oil. You know, when your oil is cold, the way it forms, right? Yes, so there are oils that have been trapped in between your skin. So it doesn't mean that your skin is dirty or you're not taking your hygiene seriously. So the major ingredients of this product is salicylic acid, right? It acts like a, how do I describe it now? For blackheads, salicylic acids act like a vacuum cleaner. It sort of pulls out all of those oil from your skin and remove them from all those places where they've been lodged. It sort of dislodges all those blackheads and all those things from your pores and allows your skin, restores it back to what it is. So salicylic acid is a primary and hero key ingredient of this product. Another important ingredient that this contains is denatured alcohol, right? Denatured alcohol is introduced to many products so that it can quickly kill and dry the bacteria away from your skin, so that they don't get a chance to reproduce and, you know, start producing all the nonsense that they produce on your skin. So denatured alcohol is one of the ingredients that is one of the key ingredients in this product. Denatured alcohol is good for people that have oily skin, right? But if you have dry skin, you would need to be careful with how you use this product. It dries out the skin so fast, and your skin is sort of forced to overcompensate by producing more oil. So people that have dry skin have to be careful the way they use this product, so that their skin doesn't overcompensate by producing oils that would, you know, to compensate for the dryness, and it will create or produce more blackheads for you. So for the application, like I said initially, this is not a wash-off product. This is a leave-on product. So the best way to use this product is to apply it on a cotton pad and sort of, you know, massage it with a cotton pad all over your face. So what I typically do is, after I finish using my face wash, I apply it on the cotton wool and I, you know, scrub it all over my face. I've already taken my bath and applied my moisturizer, so I will not be able to demonstrate it to you guys, but you know what I mean. Just apply it on a cotton pad and then apply it to the areas, especially where you have these blackheads. Sometimes I get them here, sometimes I get them here, but thankfully I no longer have them. So yes, this is one product to try. Okay, so the cons of this product are that it can be too drying, right? Especially if you use it every day, it can really dry out your skin and take it from a bad situation to a worse situation. Say for example, the only problem you had was blackheads, and then you now go and start using this product and using it every day. It can dry your skin so much so that you have to start looking for something else to restore moisture to your skin. So I do not advise that you use this every single day. Another con of this product is that it stings, right? I think because of the denatured alcohol in it, it tends to have this stinging sensation when you use it. So you might want to, watch how your skin reacts to it. And I also advise using it not every single day, but you skip one day in between, or use it twice in an entire week. The first good side about this product is that it is exfoliating. When you use a cotton pad to apply, it sort of gently removes dead skin cells from your skin, and over time gives you a glow. Another thing I need to mention about this, very importantly, is that it's budget friendly. This is about 6,500 for 200 ml, so it would last you a while, especially since you wouldn't be using it every day. And another thing I want to mention about, well, I personally consider this like a good side of the product, is that it leaves a matte finish. Even though you can draw a parallel line between the matte finish and the fact that it's drying, but it leaves a matte finish rather than an oily finish. So those of you who like to have a matte finish when you apply your products will find this product really enjoyable. So those are some of the pros and cons I can recall from using this product. Now let me talk about side effects. One of the side effects is over exfoliation. When I was using this product when I was using this product last year, August, right, I didn't read the ingredients, or somehow I missed that it had salicylic acid, right? And I was using it every day. Guys, my skin was even doing better. But after using it, I traveled for field work to a place where I wasn't really like looking at my face that often or that much, right? I just applied the product and get on with my day. When I came back to base and I looked at my face looked like it had burnt. So one, you can suffer from over exfoliation if you use it too often, and two, sun exposure. Salicylic acid needs to be used alongside with a sunscreen. You need to apply heavy doses of sunscreen, especially if you have sensitive skin, because it increases your exposure to the sun, and rather than healing your skin, it's going to be doing it more harm than good. It will now start making your skin look burnt. So please, when you are buying any of these products that have a treatment product and have active ingredients, be sure to pair them up with a sunscreen. I personally often say that if you don't have money to buy a sunscreen, don't buy a treatment product. Just be using hydrating and moisturizing products, because it's going to cause you more harm than good if you don't have a sunscreen to use alongside this type of products that have really strong active ingredients. Another thing I need to mention in terms of side effects for this product is try not to use it around your eyes, right? You know that the skin around your eyes are thinner than the rest of your body, and so it can sting really bad if you use it around your eyes. So you just want to stick to other areas of your face, your nose, to remove all of those what's it called now, the blackheads. You really do not need to apply it around your eye, because it's going to really sting and hurt you. So that is one thing I need to mention about this. Say that check out my review on the Hit the Spot Ceramide Serum. That is cleanser. That is a cleanser I recommend you use every day all over your face, and then you can now use this one just around your nose and around your chin area to get rid of blackheads. But alternatively, if you want to use it all over your face, do not use it every day. Even when you use it on your chin and on your nose, do not use it every day. That's how you balance using products in your skincare routine, so that you don't damage your skin, and so that you get the maximum benefits of any skincare product that you buy. Let me tell you something, guys. Not knowing how to pair, or when to use or when not to use a skincare product can cost you damage to your skin. It can cost you money, because personally I've suffered a lot in these past few years using products and not knowing, buying products and not knowing how to use them, and then getting frustrated and throwing them out. So it's very important for you to know what to pair with what products you can use every day, and what products you should use, you know, in between days, so that your skin gets a chance to repair itself and you can get a healthy glow. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it, and check out my other videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.